Hello, welcome to my channel. This video will focus on how to use the machine approach of formula in calculating variance and standard deviation. To my old subscribers, you're welcome, and if you're new in this channel, you're super welcome. And please do well to like this video, also leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now let's look at the question we have on the board. Calculate the variance and standard deviation of the distribution below. We have age with its range of values and also the frequency. We start with arranging this distribution in vertical order. So this is the arrangement of the distribution in vertical order. We could see the class interval and the frequency. So we have midpoint, also called class mark. We have our S square column, Fs column, and f of x squared column. Now we'll start with adding up the frequency. 3 plus 5 plus 2 gives 10. Now let's proceed to the s column. To get our s values, we simply add 1 plus 5 and then divide by 2. Of course, 1 plus 5 gives 6. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. For the second midpoint, 6 plus 10, then divide by 2. The last midpoint will be 11 plus 15, divide by 2. Now let's move to s square column. S square simply entails the square of each of the x values. 3 square gives 9, 8 square, and lastly 13 square, 169. Now to Fs column, Fs simply means frequency times x. So for the first Fs, we have 3 times 3, 9. Next is 5 times 8. Lastly, 2 times 13, 26. Now let's add the values of Fs column. 9 plus 40 plus 26. Now let's proceed to Fs square column. Fs square entails the product of f and s square. So for the first Fs square, we have 3 times 9. Next is 5 times 64. Lastly, 2 times 169, 338. Now let's add all these values together. 27 plus this gives this. This is the machine formula used in calculating the variance of our group data. We have summation Fs square, which is 685, divided by summation F minus summation Fs divided by summation F, all square. 685 divided by 10 gives 68.5. 75 divided by 10 gives 7.5, then square. So we have 68.5 minus the square of 7.5. Therefore, the variance will be 68.5 minus 56.25, gives 12.25 years. Standard deviation is simply the square root of variance. That is, whatever value we got for variance, we'll get the square root, and that will give us the standard deviation. Here we go now. Standard deviation is the square root of the value of variance being 12.25, and that gives us 3.50. I hope this video is clear enough. Please, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask your questions. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.